Lambeosaurus, named after a Canadian paleontologist, is a hadrosaur or duck-billed dinosaur, which is known only from the late Cretaceous, as are all hadrosaurs, and it is known from western North America. It is definitely known from Canada, and there have also been suggested finds from the United States and Mexico as well. It measured up to 7 meters in length. Like other hadrosaurs, its hands were modified to be able to bear the body's weight and therefore was capable of both bipedal and quadrupedal locomotion. Lambeosaurus possessed a dental battery of teeth. So there were no teeth at the tip of the jaws. It had a toothless beak. But in its cheeks, it had hundreds of cheek teeth, which were cemented together, not only in a single row, but multiple rows, forming a dental battery, which gave it the ability to efficiently chew the plant material of the late Cretaceous. Hadrosaurs were abundant herbivores at that time. The family of dinosaurs which contains all of these hadrosaurs, known as Hadrosauridae, D-A-E, is divided into two subfamilies. The Hadrosaurinae, which has broad snouts and a flat head, and the subfamily Lambeosaurinae, which has narrower beaks as opposed to the duckbill of the other subfamily, and crests. These crests were hollow, connected to the nasal cavity, and they were sexually dimorphic. It seems that there were two morphs in the population after adulthood. So juveniles would then modify these crests later in life. And given that there are two variant forms apparently in populations, it is interpreted that these then are gender differences in this sexually dimorphic crest. Perhaps this allowed individuals to recognize members of their own species. Perhaps it affected the sound of the vocalizations in mating calls and the calls of the group as they herded together. So there are a number of possible interpretations of these crests.